Let's practice some HCF and LCM questions. Let's try to do the HCF of 28, 42 and 70. Now, what is a common factor that we can take out of them? I can take out 2, right? So 28 by 2 is 14, 42 by 2 is 21 and 70 by 2 gives me 35. Now, from 14, 21 and 35, is there any common factor that I can take out? Yes, I can take out 7, right? If I take out 7, I'm left with 2, 3 and 5. Now, from 2, 3, 5, is there anything that I can take out, any common factor? No, except from 1, there's no other common factor among 2, 3 and 5. Therefore, my HCF is 2 into 7, which is 14. Now, an interesting thing to note over here is you can write each of these as a multiple of your highest common factor, which is 14. So 28 is 2 into 14, 42 is 3 into 14 and 70 is 5 into 14, and that's expected because as it says in the word HCF itself, 14 has to be a common factor. That's why you see 14 over here, here and here. It's a common factor and it's the highest common factor among 28, 42 and 70. Alright, now let's find the LCM of the same numbers. This will give us a clear picture how HCF and LCM differ from each other. Now again, the first step is write the numbers and take out any common factor. So let me take out 2 again. So I'm left with 14, 21 and 35. Again, I can take out 7. I'm left with 2, 3 and 5. And among 2, 3, 5, there is no more common factor which I can take out. And therefore I stop over here. And my LCM is the product of all these numbers. That is, the LCM is equal to 2 into 7 into 2 into 3 into 5. And you will get that as 420. Now, as it says in the word LCM, 420 is a multiple of 28, 42 and 70. Let's observe. You can write 420 as 28 into 15 or 42 into 10 or 70 into 6. Therefore, it's a multiple of 28, 42 and 70. And it is the least common multiple. That's why it's the LCM of 28, 42 and 70. Alright, now let's try to find the LCM of 25, 15 and 21. Pause the video and give it a try. Alright, we start by writing the numbers and finding what the common factor I can take out, right? Now over here you will see that among these three numbers there is no common factor for all the three, right? Therefore the HCF would be 1 because you are not able to take out any common factor, right? But when you find the LCM, even if among two numbers if there is a common factor, you can take that out. And you can see that among 25 and 15 you have 5 as a factor. So let me take out 5. So over here 25 by 5 is 5, 15 by 5 is 3 and 21 is not exactly divided by 5 or 5 is not a factor of 21. Therefore we write 21 as 21 itself over here. Now among 5, 3 and 21, is there any common factor that I can take out? No, there is no common factor for all the three, but among 3 and 21 I can see that I can take out 3, right? So let me take out 3, and 5 cannot be divided perfectly by 3, so I write 5 as 5 itself. 3 divided by 3 is 1 and 21 divided by 3 is 7. Now there is no more common factor even among two of these three numbers that I can take out. So therefore I stop at this point and my LCM is the product of all these numbers over here. That is, my LCM is 5 into 3 into 5 into 7. And remember, over here the HCF is 1 among 25, 15 and 21 because there is no common factor that I can take out among these three numbers.